Within day 2 of having trailer 2, I'm going to start stripping the interior out. So the first layer of flooring is up. The seller, Laura, she said that a friend of hers put this layer down, but it was so flimsy that one of her horses nearly put its foot through. I've stripped off the side panels. This is what rotten aluminium looks like. It literally just crumbles. Just aluminium oxide, there you go. It looks as though it's been accelerated really fast by being in contact with the steel. You see over there, the scrunched up stuff. It's somehow been accelerated by that. So the galvanic corrosion now, I think, just pushed it over the edge, and it looks like it's just completely rotted away. I mean, look at the end. Didn't have that metal strapped onto it, and then here, let's angle grind this as much as I can, and then we'll take a view. Oh, there was quite a lot of corrosion, which I couldn't reach with the angle grinder, and so I've de-popped her rivets. And so I can now access the corrosion all the way down that bar there. So I've angle ground the main chassis, and parts of it are looking good. So that's example of it looking good. That's actually a new bit, non-original. Back there, not so good. There are some bits on there which could come off, but I think it's diminishing returns at this point. On to painting. So this stuff. Hopefully that's the right way around. So it's Hammerite Direct to Rust metal paint, smooth black, 8-year protection, no less. No need to prime or undercoat, quick dry. It's the first step of putting Penelope back together. In fact, either Penelope or Bertie. It's been destruction until now. Oh, it's getting darker, but I got the first coat on Penelope. Second coat of Hammerite on Penelope's chassis. I'm happy with just the second coat. I think that'll do her for another, well, it says 8 years on the tin, but I'll give it 5 before I strip out.